Guys, this is a little bit of a little girl Christmas memory. This is the day before Christmas. We're down here, not at my mom's house with little girl. We're whole family, but a whole bunch of us. All three of our children and grandchildren, and yeah, we're all renting a house about 2 blocks from here. And yeah, this what a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. Cold as a morgue. And it would not be an appropriate day for working on a little girl because of the temperature. I'll tell you what, this is worth it all right here. What a beautiful, beautiful day. Sunset. All right, guys, well, we're going into a new year. About, well, 1 week away as of tomorrow. And God willing, we'll get little girl in the water this year. Amen. I'm so looking forward to it. Anyway, guys, thank you for bearing with me for another year of the work aboard on the foredeck and getting that all done. And all we got to do is get all the accoutrements on the foredeck and then get her in the water. Yeah. I'll let that be the closing line. Guys, thanks for another year. God bless you, and we'll be talking to you. Hopefully we can in the next month here get down a little girl and try to get some more work done. Take care. Bye.